This is MaitreANL Alex Singer. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to make this brief statement. There are some house slaves in the Cameroons. They go about, they're trying to confuse the people of the Cameroons in connection to the right of self-determination and the right to vote in the upcoming election in la Republique du Cameroun. Ladies and gentlemen, the right to self-determination is not the same right as the right to vote in the election of la Republique du Cameroun. The right to vote in an election in la Republique du Cameroun is a civil right or civil right, fundamental right. That's a right to vote, a right of freedom of religion, a right to freedom of speech and other rights, equal opportunity. That's what's happening in la Republique du Cameroun. Ladies and gentlemen, when we, the people of British Southern Cameroons, when we talk about the right of self-determination, Article 65 of the Constitution of la Republique du Cameroun gives us that right of self-determination. Article 65 of the Constitution of la Republique du Cameroun says the preamble is part and parcel of the Constitution. When you go to the preamble, it gives us that international right. The right to self-determination is an international right. It's not a national right, a civil right to go and vote in la Republique election. So some people I've seen, they have been going and trying to confuse our people between the right of self-determination and the right to vote, civil or your civic right. That's really different. We are a people, a court in Africa have determined ourselves, made it clear that the people of Southern Cameroon are a people. And this right to self-determination applies to the people of British Southern Cameroon. The Constitution of Cameroon says the Charter of the United Nations is part and parcel of the Constitution. The right to self-determination in international law is a fundamental collective right of all the people to freely determine their political status, pursue their economic, social, and cultural development. So, ladies and gentlemen, once more, don't let them fool you. The right of self-determination is not about going to vote CPDM or voting these people presidential hopeful. It's a different right. It is our legal right. The people of British Cameroon have had enough of France controlling our monetary policy, controlling our economy, making our money. We don't have a central bank. They are forcing the people of British Cameroon to have inherited structure from France. ENAM, ENS, you name the rest, all those things, gendarmerie and whatsoever. We of British Cameroons, we have our own political institution. We are not forcing our institution in la Republique du Cameroun. La Republique du Cameroun lost its sovereignty when it joined CEMAC. CEMAC, which is being controlled by France. Ladies and gentlemen, we have nothing against France and the people of la Republique du Cameroun. We want to be independent. We want to be sovereign. Once more, ladies and gentlemen, this has been MaitreANL Alex Singer, the leader of British Cameroon National Party. Have a wonderful weekend.